Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to add black and white effect in Kdenlive. Begin by adding video clip to your timeline. Now navigate to Effects tab, located in the top right corner. In the search box, type Saturation. Drag saturation effect onto your video clip. Select the video clip on the timeline to reveal saturation settings. Drag saturation slider all the way down to 0 to make video black and white. For different look, search for contrast in the Effects tab. Drag contrast effect onto your clip. Adjust the contrast slider to modify video's appearance. Now you can play back the sequence to preview black and white effect. You can still fine-tune saturation and contrast settings until you achieve desired look. And that's all. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking video.